Did you know that some houseplants can stick around for decades, even up to 100 years? They're not just decor, they're lifelong companions that grow alongside you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant parent, these houseplants are easy to care for and built to last. Let's explore the green treasures that can become part of your home for generations. The snake plant is a champion of low-maintenance greenery. Its stiff sword-like leaves not only look striking, but also thrive in a variety of light conditions. With the right care, this resilient beauty can easily live for decades. If you're a beginner or someone who just forgets to water sometimes, this is the perfect plant for you. Next up, the dwarf umbrella tree. Its glossy evergreen leaves make it a favorite among indoor gardeners. While it's unlikely to flower indoors, this plant can live for over 25 years, adding a lush tropical vibe to your space. For those who love bold foliage, the rubber tree is a standout choice. Indoors, this plant can live up to 25 years, and its thick leathery leaves are a showstopper. Just remember to keep it out of reach of pets, as its sap is toxic. The monstera is practically a celebrity in the houseplant world. Known for its iconic split leaves, this plant can live up to 50 years. It thrives in medium light and well-draining soil, making it a rewarding addition to any home. Jade plants are succulents that defy the odds. These beauties can live between 50 to 70 years. Their fleshy leaves hold water, but be careful, not too much and not too little. They're like the Goldilocks of succulents. The Christmas cactus is more than just a holiday decoration. This flowering plant can live up to 100 years, making it a true heirloom you can pass down. Another long-living choice is the ponytail palm, known for its dramatic grassy leaves and thick trunk that stores water. It's forgiving and can thrive indoors for decades. Love a tropical vibe? The sago palm is a striking option with its large fronds and thick base. Just a heads up, its seeds and fronds are toxic, so keep it away from kids and pets. The Scindapsus is a vine plant that's both beautiful and versatile. Whether you let it trail or climb, this low-maintenance option can live up to 15 years. Another favorite is the spider plant. Known for its adorable baby plantlets, this houseplant is super adaptable and can live for about 20 years. The wax plant is a must-have if you want a plant that not only looks good, but also smells delightful when it blooms. With proper care, it can last up to 30 years. If you're worried about keeping plants alive, the cast iron plant is your best bet. As its name suggests, it's nearly indestructible and can live for decades. The philodendron family offers an incredible variety of options, all known for being easy to care for. These plants can live for 25 years or more, rewarding you with vibrant green foliage. The Chinese evergreen is another standout choice. With its stunning foliage and low-maintenance care needs, it can live for over 10 years. The mistletoe cactus is a unique option with tubular stems that act as leaves. With proper care, it can live for decades, adding a modern, quirky touch to your space. For something colorful, try growing begonias indoors. Whether you're after their stunning foliage or their flowers, these plants can brighten your home for over 10 years. Finally, we have the Raven ZZ. With its deep purple-black leaves, this modern favorite is not only gorgeous, but also incredibly durable. It can live up to 30 years and thrives with minimal care. So there you have it, 17 houseplants that aren't just beautiful, but are built to last. Let us know in the comments, do you already have any of these plants in your collection? Or are you inspired to add one now? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips and inspiration.